Every year, millions of AC adapters are sold worldwide. Have you ever wondered how these essential devices are made? Today, we're taking you inside the GDI Technology Factory, located in Shenzhen, China, to uncover the meticulous manufacturing process behind these adapters, from raw materials to the final product, showcasing the incredible precision and expertise involved in manufacturing AC adapters at GDI Technology. This sprawling mega factory spans over 130,000 square feet and produces thousands of AC adapters daily. Specializing in adapters for the consumer electronics, cable TV, and mobile industries, GDI Technology boasts a state-of-the-art production facility, where efficiency is key. Our journey begins in the AI workshop, where automatic insertion of components is carried out with precision. Next, we move to the SMT workshop. Here, surface mount technology, SMT, is employed using advanced automatic mounting machines and reflow ovens. This ensures components are placed and soldered accurately. An automated optical inspection, AOI, test follows, checking for any defects before the components move to the insertion workshop. Every component undergoes a thorough site inspection before proceeding to wave soldering, a crucial step for strong, reliable connections. The printed circuit board assembly then enters an automated system involving auto cutting, auto flipping, and auto brushing, followed by rigorous auto testing. In the assembly shop, the adapters start to take shape. Processes like laser printing, assembly, and automated test equipment, ATE, testing ensure precision and quality. Next, the adapters undergo ultrasonic welding and a 100% burning process to guarantee durability and performance. High-pot and second-round tests are conducted for safety and quality assurance, ensuring each unit meets stringent standards. Finally, each adapter is packed and ready for distribution after passing a thorough final quality control, FQC, inspection and palletization. GDI understands the unique needs of various markets, especially in South America and Latin America, where power surges are common. Each adapter is designed to meet these specific demands. With certifications from renowned labs such as UL, CE, NOM, IRAM, and compliance with RoHS standards, GDI Technology ensures that each AC adapter not only meets, but exceeds global quality standards.